Hello everyone, I'm pleased to present our work, The Power of A towards advertising aesthetic assessment. Advertising images are everywhere in digital media, but evaluating their quality is not simple about asking whether an image is beautiful. A good advertisement should attract attention, organize visual information clearly, and ultimately support user action. In this work, we propose the third power a training evaluation integrated framework for advertising aesthetics. It consists of four key components: law, decide, align, and bench. Together, they turn subjective advertisement judging into a raw-grounded, trainable, and available multimodal framework. Advertising aesthetic assessment is changing for three main reasons. First, human evaluation is subjective and inconsistent. Manual judging is costly, and different subjects may focus on different visual or commercial aspects. Second, advertising assessment goes beyond the generic image beauty. For ordinary image aesthetics, we may care about composition, color, and pleasure. But for advertisement, we must also evaluate attention, layout, readability, copywriting, promotional icons, and action intent. Third, general purpose models are not well aligned with this domain. They often provide one-step holistic scores, and their rationales can be problem-sensitive or unreliable. Therefore, we need a framework that defines what advertising aesthetics means and makes it usable for annotation, training, and evaluation. The core idea of the third power is to build a closed loop from domain theory to practice feedback. We first introduce the law, a theory-driven rule system that decomposes advertising aesthetics into progressive stages. Based on these rules, we construct a decide, which contains rule-grounded annotations and chain of thought rationales. Then we train domain-aligned models using supervised fine-tuning and reinforcement learning. Finally, we design a bench to evaluate whether different models truly understand advertising aesthetics rules. This loop connects training, evaluation, and application. Instead of treating decide construction, model alignment, and benchmark evaluation as separate tasks, the third power of A unifies them into a four-stage framework for advertising aesthetic assessment. The third power of law of A law is the third power of A law is the foundation of our framework. It transforms abstract advertising theory into executable rules. It contains three progressive stages. The first stage is perceptual attention. Before any high-level judgment, an advertisement must first be perceived as a valid visual signal. This stage includes image fidelity, integrated realism, and progressional polish. The second stage is formal interest. After capturing attention, the image should organize visual information in a clear and engaging way. This stage evaluates adaptability, color harmonization, and layout adaptability. The third stage is design impact. At this level, the image should convey persuasive signals and stimulate user desire. This includes copywriting, tone, aesthetic attribute, and advertising attribute. Through these stages, law provides consistent criteria for annotation, structure, supervision for training, and objective dimensions for evaluation. Based on the law, we consider the DSAT, a rule-grounded data engine for domain alignment. The construction pipeline has 5 steps. We first collect diverse advertising images from multiple platforms and formats. Then subjects apply laws, rules, and provide multidimensional labels. Next, models generate chain of result rationales for each text category. These rationales are further refined and validated by experts to ensure accuracy and consistency. The final dataset contains 30,000 advertising images and 130,000 instruction response pairs. It includes multi-dimensional labels, CLT rationales, visual annotations, and auto-argumented subset. Importantly, the dataset supports different types of supervision, including binary judgment, grounding, and subjective scoring. In this way, the dataset turns advertising theory into structured training supervision. With the dataset, we train align. Multimodal aligned with advertising aesthetic rules. The training progress has 2 stages. In the first stage, we perform supervised fine-tuning on the dataset. This teaches the basic model to understand the law, follow structured output format, generate rationales, and use tools when needed. In the second stage, we apply GRPO optimization with multi-signal rewards. These rewards include accurate rewards, IOU rewards for icon grounding, tool utilization reward, continuous score reward, format reward, and so on. Through this design, the align does not merely imitate answers. It learns to commit the law into trainable optimization objectives. As a result, it can produce rule-based judgment, interpretable learning, and actionable critique. We then reevaluate models using bench. We test whether model truly advertising aesthetic rules. Our results show 3 key findings. First, general purpose models still struggle with advertising aesthetic assessment, especially in promotional icon localization. They may recognize that an icon exists but fail to ground it accurately. Second, thinking mode alone is not enough. Reasoning style inference may bring limited improvement, but the gains are estimable and do not fall so domain-specific programs. Third, the line leads across different stages of law. It achieves strong performance on perceptual attention, form interest, design, impact, and grounding text. This result demonstrates that domain alignment is essential for advertising aesthetic assessment. Finally, we evaluated the third power in 2 practical applications. The first application is quality advertising sales selection. By employing the law-based screen, we can select advertisements with high certification and action intent. The gains will increase progressively across the 3 stages, showing that perceptual quality from organizations and design impact are important. The second application is prescriptive advertisement critique. The line can identify specific props in an image and provide a clear suggestions. For example, if a promotional icon completes with the protect, the model can suggest reducing the icon size and moving it into a safe region. In summary, the third power of A provides a full-stack framework for advertising aesthetic assessment. For the main role to train data, to align model, to benchmark evaluation, and finally to practice practical. That's all my attention. Thank you for watching.